Hello, this is Brandon Johnson, and this is my Module 1 assignment for EDL 856. Some personal demographics about myself. I am married to my wife Chantel. We've been married for 9 years. I have 2 children. My son's name is Carter, and he's 6 years old, and he's currently in kindergarten. And my daughter's name is Elliot, and she's 3 years old. This is currently my 8th year of teaching. I teach high school physical education. I teach at Campus High School in USD 261 in Hayesville, Kansas. Previous to my teaching position at campus, I was at Hayesville West Middle School for 4 years, and I worked as the in-school suspension room teacher. I currently coach basketball and baseball. I believe this is my 7th year coaching basketball and my 9th year of coaching baseball. Some of my hobbies include fishing, hunting, watching sports. Some of my favorite sports teams include the Wichita State Shockers, the Kansas City Royals. I also like spending time with my family and traveling whenever we get a chance to do so. What I feel is important in regards to school community relations. First of all, is a partnership. I feel that school districts and communities need to have a common ground and a shared vision for success, what they feel they want their school to look like. I also feel that effective communication tools are necessary. The use of social media, newsletters, school websites, utilizing all these things to make sure that community members and school members are all on the same page. I also feel that teacher communication is important. Making sure that parents are aware of what is going on within the student's classroom on a day-to-day basis is extremely important. And also support to make changes if needed. If something, if an idea is tossed out and it's not working, just having the support and the trust there between the two that changes can be made. And then lastly, to invite community members into your school and ask them for input within the school community. Some ideas that I feel will improve communication techniques with students, parents, and administrators. First of all, for the students, creating class websites, having Twitter pages, using the Remind app. I know that I personally use the Remind app within my teaching. You know, if we have something coming up in class, say like we're going to do a swimming unit, I send out a remind to my class, making sure that they remember to bring the proper stuff for class, stuff like that. For the parents, also the Remind app is a great tool. You could have a class website. You could have a monthly email list explaining to the parents what is going on in the class. For the administrators, things that could improve communication would be staff meetings, weekly emails to staff members, making sure that they are aware of what's going on at school that week, have staff bulletins. And then one thing that we've started using at school this year is Microsoft Teams as a communication tool, and it seems to be working out pretty good. Again, my name is Brandon Johnson, and this is my Module 1 assignment for EDL 856. I look forward to working with everybody and having a great semester. Thank you. Bye.